Good morning, everybody. This is Kimberly from Lincoln, and I will be making a brown sugar exfoliating scrub. Now, our body gets rid of layers of dead skin cells every day, and sometimes they stay on us. The problem with that is that when we want to use our acne wash or moisturizers or anything else, these skin cells prevent them from being as effective. So, we're going to make a scrub that will help us get rid of them, and it can also be used on our hands and anywhere else. Alright, so let's go, shall we? If you are not at a bathroom sink, it's good practice to cover your surface with a towel or something to protect it from any spills that we might make. The ingredients that we need are brown sugar and raw honey. It is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral, which helps us fight our acne, and it also is a really good moisturizer. Because we are using honey, we need to put our hair back. If it gets on our hair and we don't wash it off, it will get really stiff. We need 1 tablespoon because it is a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of honey, a container to mix it in, something to mix. This is my baby fork, you guys. I just really wanted to share it. It's a hashtag way back Wednesday thing. And a container to put anything that's left over. You will also need towels to clean your face, dry your face, and water if you're not at the sink. If you're at the sink, you don't really need water because it's there. All right, here we go. I need a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna wipe it off. This is the scary part. I'm known for dropping things, so I am just, please. And it was recorded. I didn't spill it. Look at that. I'm just gonna drop it in there. And mix it. Should be really, really sticky. I've made this kind of scrub without honey before. I've used just water. It just gets, but it's really messy. In case you don't have bee honey, you could also just slightly wet the brown sugar with water. But it will be a lot messier. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Put her hair back. This has to stay away from your eyes. Completely away from your eyes. And I would suggest you stay away from your eyebrows too. Wet my face. All right. Put some there. Put some there. I think I'm putting too much of this. I think you only need like that much. What would I? And you're pretty much just gonna scrub. Don't get too like aggressive with it, but just. Oh wow, it's dripping. And I got it on my eyebrows because when wouldn't I? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Circular. And then you wash it off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because I don't have my sink, I'm gonna dip this in the water. just gonna.
If you end up making one of these, let me know how it works. Okay, so don't wipe it off. Just go to the sink and wash your face. I'm gonna go wash it off. It was nice sharing this with you guys, and I hope you get to try it out. Let me know how it works, and I will see you next time. All right, bye.